Woo! Almost didn't clear, but we cleared. Cleared, doubled cleared. Great. Love to see it. Yes, you look, dang. EU really played us. Like, no cap, EU played me tonight. Oh my gosh. And it's still playing. Like, I don't even know what EU's doing. Honestly. Honestly, I have no clue what EU is gonna do in the next minute or so. But yeah, let's peep USDJPY and see what USDJPY is messing with. Oof, wow. Yo, EJ just dove. Everybody should have cleared EJ just now. Oh my God. We should have gotten for another entry. I'm sick. We should have just did it. We should have gotten for another entry. Who got in for another entry on EJ? Who got in for another entry on EJ? Oh, what is going on? Oops. Not now. All right, bet. We're back. Who got another entry on EJ? I should have, I should have called that one too. Like, that was sensational. But it's all right. Okay, I need this to move. I need you to move back to where you were. There you go, at the bottom. Let's look at USDJPY. Dang. They had my setup pretty much. A little bit off, but couldn't catch it because the broker was glitchy. We could, let's peep USDJPY right fast, actually. Let me see what it's on. 70. We'll pass. No, we won't pass. No, we will pass just for now. No, EU is playing me right now. Like, EU is so tempting to get into right now, but it's just like, I don't want to get burned again, y'all. I don't want us to get burned by EU again. Because look at that. Look how it dropped. Como se dice, wrong timing. Let me see though. Let me see. USD CAD was looking interesting, but I don't know. You're messing with this? I'm not messing with this. I'm not messing with that personally. What time is it? Oh, we got like 30 more minutes. Yo. If you're enjoying this session, go ahead, drop a 2. I just want to know. If you're enjoying the session tonight, just go ahead, drop a 2 for me. I just want to see if everybody's enjoying the session, having fun, making a little bag here and there. 2. Ooh, I love these 2s. I love it. I appreciate all the support, guys. It really means a lot. Really appreciate it. Yeah, so we're just gonna chill out for like 2 minutes and see what happens. Well, while I keep looking, but all right. So I'm going against my own principles. I'm gonna hop back into EU. Right, I'm gonna hop back into EU, but we're gonna do EU right this time. Right, we're gonna do an EU trade, but right. So here's what I'm gonna look for. Right, so on EU, this is what I'm gonna look for. I'm gonna look for the pullback. Right, I'm gonna look for the pullback right back to this Bollinger Band on this next candle, which is gonna pop up in 1 minute. Right, I'm gonna wait for this candle to start buying. Right, as soon as the time hits. What is it going to be? 10:39. We're going to go ahead and enter the trade. So that next candle, right? The next candle starts immediately selling, right? So we catch that selling momentum right when the next candle opens. So that's what we're looking for on EU, right? And we're gonna see, you know, if my crystal ball comes to, my crystal ball is correct. My crystal ball being my brain. We're gonna look for a pullback on USDJPY once it comes down a little bit. I'm gonna look for that pullback on USDJPY. We're gonna look at your CAD. No, where it's not your CAD. We're looking at Euro CAD right fast. This is, comment CD say interesting. Oof, no. All right, everybody go to UCAD. Everybody go to UCAD right fast. Everybody go to UCAD. Everybody go to UCAD. Let me see. What is UCAD on? 70%. What is this? 172. All right, baby. If we can get a drop on EuroCAD, right? If we get a drop on EuroCAD all the way, if we can get a drop on EuroCAD all the way to 180, we're gonna go ahead and take it for the call, for the 3-minute call. But it's looking like it's pushing all the way back up. Which is, I mean, like, that's okay, but we want this to fall. It was USD CAD. Yeah, that's so spiky. I can already tell. I can visualize the spikes on that. Yeah, let's see if this can drop down to 180. Then we're gonna go ahead and take it. All right, well, let's P. Yeah. Well, let's see if my crystal ball was correct on EU. Ooh, the crystal ball is coming true. The crystal ball is coming true. It's coming to form. We just need to catch it at the right time. It's coming. It's coming to form. Right. I'm gonna want to catch this right when it bounces off this Bollinger Band, or we can get it out high. All right, EU. Wait, what is it? Yeah. Let me see. It's coming true. We just gotta get it a little bit higher. Come on, crystal ball. Don't fail me. Also, if it can push up all the way and get oversold, I mean, como se dice, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. We need to push this all the way up to that Bollinger Band. Then we're gonna go ahead and hop in. Come on, crystal ball. Go ahead, come through for me. What's the entry price? Great question. Sensational question. The entry price really for this, I mean, como se dice falling. But the entry price for this would be like right here. So that would be 202. So not 202. I would say one. I'm not one. 2. I would say 210, 210, 210, 210. 210 would be the entry price on EU for the put. 210. That's what I'm gonna say for the entry price. But it's looking like it doesn't want to push up again. It just wants to start selling, which, I mean, would be okay if we were still in the trade, but we're not. Which would be okay, but we are not in the trade. All right, well, EJ is actually pulling back up. So we're about to abuse EJ again. EJ is sort of kind of pulling back up. It's trying to pull back up. Oof, the market's doing it. I needed to go some direction. One direction, something. At least drop down, touch the Bollinger Band, get oversold, whatever. Then come back up. Let's hope we can catch it. next time. Oh wow. Let's look at USDJPY. Let me see. My crystal ball was a tad bit off. It was a tad bit off. But we're gonna see. We could catch it from this wick to see if we can. I don't like that. Nah, nada. No go. Come on, Sunday. Make the market pop tonight. We just need like 2-3 more trades to make it pop tonight. Just go crazy. Let me see what time it is. 10:40. All right, I can fit in 2 more within 20 minutes. I just need the market to act right. I can fit in 2 more. I just need the market to act right. Just act right a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Just need you to just. Yo, dude, there's one thing. Actually, no, there's no other thing that I hate more than the Canadian dollar. Honestly, the Canadian dollar is so strong 24/7, and it allows no movement. Whenever I trade, at least, it allows no movement. So I'm like, oh, EJ, UJ, popping between these two and EU. Like CAD, we're not doing CAD, but we are doing Frozen. We are doing Frozen. Don't hack my IM account, y'all. Man, mess with my PayQ settings. Add your little Bitcoin. Let me see. EU, EJ. All right, bet. EU, como se dice, you're making me mad. Yeah, okay, bet. We're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna actually see if on EJ. Yeah. All right, baby. Yeah. On EJ, right? This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for just to bounce off the Bollinger Band. Honestly, that's really all I'm looking for on EJ. See, if I would have had my support and resistances on my chart like I had before I had to refresh, I would know where I'm going, but let me put on some music. Let me see. 16. I bet. I can't even confidently call anything just yet. So we're just gonna wait another 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That's it. How's your day going? My Sunday was really productive. My professor called me on my phone, like, okay, story time while the market is getting ready. Literally, I'm literally talking to my brother. We're just chilling or whatever. I get a phone call, right, from a DC number. I'm like, who is this, dog? I'm like so confused. I'm like, hello? And I answer with my phone, right? Knowing I have my AirPods like out. But I didn't think, okay, here we go again. I didn't think that my AirPods were the sound was going to it. And I realized at the last second, I was like cursing up a storm. And my professor was literally on the phone. And I'm like, yo, I'm sick. Like, she literally just heard me cursing up a storm because I'm thinking it's just a spam call. I'm not really paying attention. And I'm like, oh no, that's my professor. She's like, oh my gosh, this is Professor Redacted. And I'm like, oh, how you doing? So I gotta get right, But then we start chopping it up, whatever. Ended up being a very productive conversation. But that's okay. Here we go. Let me see on EJ. I'm looking for a pullback on EJ. So we can actually capitalize on it and get into the put. Oh, wait, settings messed up too. Once no, I don't want that. Is that horizontal? Anyway, whatever. No, not array. Line. All right, so that's 703. So that's probably like, we're gonna say our entry point is gonna be 710 again. Actually, 710 again on EJ. All right, yeah. We need to start buying a little bit, but yeah. Back to what I was saying, right? It's dropping. And it's oversold stochastic and RSI. So we need that to come up ASAP. Like I was saying though, so yeah, it was very productive. She was really nice, and she was really cool. That's really the reason why I decided to go to Howard for real. Like, professors really just be dope. Like, just hit me on my phone, but like, I was not expecting to get a call like middle of the day. I'm just chilling in the bed, waiting for the market to get right. But yeah, 710 is gonna be our entry on EJ. We're looking at EJ right now. 710 is our entry on EJ. 710 is our entry on EJ. Everything about it. I gotta up the what's it called size, the order size, up the order size. I be forgetting. Call my CDC, forgot. Yes. Come my CDC, forgot. Nah, not big money, not right now. You know what happened this year. Don't try to play me. I'm playing. No, you're good. No, it wasn't a thing. I was talking to Seer. It's nothing. I mean, I'd rather have never mind. I'd rather have clarification on the setup than getting into the setup and not knowing what's going on. So, I really don't fault you for asking. But yeah, the market seems not to be setting up like how I wanted to. EU was so tough. EU was so tough. Let me see. We're gonna mess with EU again. See if we can. Maybe EU doesn't want to be messed with right now. USD. All right. So this might be the last trade that occurs, but we're gonna catch USDJPY on a pullback. We're gonna catch it at 525. Yeah, EJ did not hit our entry, sadly, but that's how it be sometimes. That's how it be sometimes, honestly. So we're just gonna wait for USDJPY to start buying. We look at EJ on the chart. Yeah, EJ just Started falling like crazy. We're also looking for a pullback on that one. EU is pulling up at USD CAD right now. Oh, I hate when Cashtrap does this. Like, yeah, I really hate it. Sometimes I'd be like, maybe I should just switch to Liberty. Maybe I should just switch to Liberty. Maybe I should just switch to Liberty. But this isn't really a real call, but I'm gonna be doing 1 minute on EJ once it hits that 101 area. But don't take it if you're not comfortable with 1 minute trades. But it's really not like really like a call trade. It's like a, if you want to do it kind of trade. Yeah. That's that's what that is, honestly. Let's peep USD JPY though. Just because it's 85%, like it doesn't hurt. Come on. USD JPY is not where we want it, but it is pushing up. It is pushing up. So we just gotta stay patient. Stay patient to where we can go ahead and catch it. Dang, I should have kind of caught that one. I might just hop in one of these. If it happens. If not, we'll just keep USD JPY. Come and see these hit a vibe. Why didn't I change? What is this? What is this tomfoolery? This is literally EJ. Oh, there we go. I don't know. Maybe my broker's broken right now. Come on, CD say internet. See, but I can't see it. So hold on. But I think it looked like it was at the entry, but I couldn't even tell. Let me see. Yeah, it is at entry. It is at entry. No, oh my gosh. Well, I did not get to change anything, honestly. But yeah, it was 525. There we go. Boom. It's at 527. Sell, yeah. Yeah. For the put or sell, whatever you want to call it. I'm dead. I mean, it really wasn't even a official double up throw. It was more of a get back in with a bigger order size. This is frozen. Ain't nobody being greedy. I bet. We're gonna go ahead and roll these. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and roll these right fast. Just so that we give the market enough time just to do its thing. I don't know if that's working or not. I can't even tell at this point. Como CD say? Somebody about to activate. Yeah, boom. That was our entry. Sensational. How to roll. Mine's doing the same thing on Hourglass. Yeah, he's wilding. Bet. How to roll over. HFX basics. We're going to get into an HFX basics call right quick, right? So basically, right, if you have a broker like IQSIN, VidA Forex, Race Options, you're going to have this screen, right? You have your currencies, you're going to have your option type, turbo, whatever, right? Boom. You're going to come down here, right? You're going to come down here is going to have all the different things that you need to know or want to know about your trades, right? So you're going to have your asset, what you're trading, your strike price, where you enter the market, your expiry price, basically where the market is at that moment based on your entry, right? I'm about to clear one, cleared. If you got the original entry, you go ahead and you can drop cleared in the chat right now when it's big dropping still. I hope y'all doubled up because I doubled up. Hey. You should have big cleared that one just now. You should have big cleared that one. And it's dropping. Clear twice. And it's dropping. Clear twice. Love to see it. But back to the start time, expiry time, order size. That's the amount of money that you just risked. Payout. That is your order size times the percentage, which is for this trade is 70%. 70% times 13 equals the payout equals. Well, I don't know how much it equals. I can't math right now. I passed calculus, y'all. I swear I gotta be. But that's what the payout is, right? It's your original risk amount plus your payout, right? And it's only gonna pop out payout as a number if you're in profit. It'll pop out payout 0 if you're not in profit, because the broker's gonna come and see to say take your money. No. The broker's gonna eat your money. Heard you. Right? Boom. Okay, cool. So you have double up, right? Double up and rollover, right? And double up and rollover, double up means you're adding another trade for the same time period at a different entry, right? It could be worse or better. It doesn't matter. You can only roll over if you're not in profit. Right? You can only roll over if you're not in profit. If you're in profit, they say, Coma CD say no rollovers. Right? Coma CD say no rollovers. But if you are not in profit, you can do something called rollover. Basically, what rollover means is you add another increment of time, right? So if your trade is 3 minutes, right, you do a rollover, your trade is now going to be 6 minutes, right? If you roll over again, your trade is now going to be 9 minutes. Roll over again, your trade is now going to be 12 minutes. See, I know multiples of 3. So yeah, that's how rollovers work. And if you have those kinds of brokers, you can utilize rollover, right? Total turnover. All right, y'all see how my total turnover is large, right? You're easily having a great time in Spanish. I actually take French. Shout out Danny. But actually total turnover basically is the money that you've put into the broker, right? So basically I've turned over $13,000, right? I haven't put in $13,000 and I haven't made $13,000. I've cycled $13,000 in the HFX market on this broker. Cleared 2 more entries as well. Shout out the gang. Woo! Now we just cleared more entries. Gang. But anyway, like I was saying, right? So that means I put $13,000 inside. I've traded $13,000 worth of money in the HFX market on this broker, right? That's what total turnover is. Or if you look at the close, right? This session I turned over $315. That means I risked $315 to this session alone, right? And I had 14 trades, right? You can see that in your close trades, right? Does that make sense, Nalia? I clicked the wrong button and spiked. Elliot, what are you talking about? You should have to show me. Yes, completely. Sensational. A1 steak sauce. Were there any more questions? I mean, shoot. It's 10:59. I can be on here for one more question. One more question, and we gotta have more questions tomorrow. But it makes sense. I bet. We can have one more question. One more question. Come and see this. No more questions. All right, bet. Hop on with Mindset Mania with my platinum 2000, one of my other platinum 2000, Eric Jackson. You dig? I'll catch y'all later. I hope everybody has a great night. I hope everybody makes some money tonight. I really appreciate everybody for hopping on the session and staying to the end. Oh, never mind. Mindset Mania post my after. How about Midnight Madness? Actually, I'll be back tomorrow. I mean, I hope you'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. I hope you will. But yeah. How about Midnight Madness? Yeah. So I'll catch y'all later. Deuces. Seer, you can go ahead. Wait, were you recording? Who was recording? What's going on? Well, how much did he say? What's going on? Was I recording on that?
Yeah, but it says that you were.
Oh shoot.